10 simple ways to whiten teeth naturally at home. Today we will be talking about do-it-yourself remedies that can help whiten your teeth and avoiding substances that stain teeth to stop further discoloration. Use these secrets to whiter teeth to restore your bright smile. However, be cautious because you can damage your enamel or gums, which can lead to sensitivity and cavities. The best way to whiten your teeth is to prevent stains before they happen, continue to practice good oral hygiene, and have regular dental checkups. Here are 10 remedies commonly used at home. Number 1. Your first plan of action should be to brush your teeth more often and in the correct manner. It's especially important that you brush after consuming foods and drinks that can lead to yellow teeth. However, be careful with brushing immediately after consuming acidic foods and drinks. Brushing right away can make the acids brush away more enamel and lead to erosion. Brush your teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes at a time. Make sure you get into all of the cracks and crevices. Brush your teeth gently in a circular motion to ensure you're protecting your gums. Brush the inside, outside, and chewing surfaces of your teeth. Brushing with whitening toothpaste has also been scientifically shown to whiten your smile, according to a 2018 study. These whitening toothpaste contain mild abrasives that scrub the teeth to remove the surface stain but are gentle enough to be safe. Using an electric toothbrush may also be more effective in removing surface stains. Number 2. Trying oil pulling. Oil pulling is the term for washing the mouth with oil to remove dirt, bacteria, and debris. It is not a substitute for regular brushing or flossing, but some research suggests that washing the mouth with certain oils may help to whiten the teeth. The American Dental Association (ADA) considers oil pulling to be unconventional dentistry, stating, "There are no reliable scientific studies to show that oil pulling reduces cavities, whitens teeth, or improves oral health and well-being." To try this method, rinse the mouth with oil for a minute after brushing, and then spit it out. Oils suitable for oil pulling include coconut oil, sunflower oil, and sesame oil. Number 3. Using hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild bleach that can help to whiten stained teeth. For optimal whitening, a person can try brushing with a mix of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide for 1 to 2 minutes twice a day for a week. This should only do this occasionally. Hydrogen peroxide may increase tooth sensitivity, so it is not suitable for long-term use or for people who already have sensitive teeth. Number 4. Turmeric powder paste. Create a thin paste by mixing a teaspoon of organic turmeric powder and a bit of water in a small dish. Use a soft toothbrush to apply the paste to teeth and gently brush for 2 minutes. Rinse with water, then brush with regular toothpaste. Turmeric powder is a gentle abrasive that can remove surface stains to reveal whiter teeth. Turmeric is naturally anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, which makes it a great choice for natural dental care. Number 5. Take a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Crunchy fruits and vegetables are known to rub off plaque from your teeth while you chew them. They are not a replacement for brushing your teeth, of course, but any remedy is an excellent remedy if it gives results as expected. Plus, fruits and vegetables are known to be very useful for your overall health. That's a win-win for you. 2 of the fruits which have been claimed to whiten your teeth are pineapple and strawberry. An enzyme named bromelain, found in pineapple, is effective in removing stains, and useful in overall teeth whitening. Strawberries, on the other hand, contain malic acid, which is known to remove discoloration on your teeth and make them appear whiter. Number 6. Drink more water. Tap water in the United States contains fluoride, which helps to strengthen enamel. Try to limit your consumption of coffee, tea, soda, and wine and drink more water instead. Replacing these beverages with water can help prevent erosion and the yellowing of teeth that comes with it. Number 7. An apple a day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or so they say, and it will make your dentist happy too. The malic acid in apples gives saliva production a boost, which helps wash away bacteria. Apples have a lot of fiber too, so chewing on them also stimulates saliva production. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another recent trend in health, and many people sing praises of its amazing benefits. It's also used as a home remedy to whitening teeth due to its ability to destroy harmful bacteria while boosting the growth of more beneficial bacteria. The acids in apple cider vinegar help remove stains too. Number 9. Calcium. By eating foods that are high in calcium, like milk and cheese, you can help to strengthen the enamel in your teeth. This healthy addition to your diet could slow down erosion by strengthening your enamel. Number 10. Your best bet: brush and floss regularly. The best way to whiten teeth naturally is to take care of them every day. Brushing and flossing twice a day, regular dental checkups, and teeth cleaning all contribute to the overall health of your mouth. Hopefully, you will have great success with the home remedies for teeth whitening listed above. If you're not satisfied with the results of naturally whitening your teeth at home, it might be time to let a professional handle this. Schedule a visit with your dentist. They can recommend a course of treatment that aligns with your goals for safe and effective teeth whitening. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.